napag-usapan yung mga sa tingin ng ating Pangulo ay dapat talaga nating pagtuunan ng pansin in the coming years or in the coming months, weeks, years, no? At yun ay number one, teaching quality. Gusto niyang magkaroon talaga ng expertise yung ating mga teachers, so he emphasized on the necessity of proper won't just focus on one. We will really train all of our teachers kasi nga marami nang nagbago ng technology even in a span of a year. No? Marami nagbabago. Like ngayon, sabi nga natin, meron na tayong AI, hindi ba? So that's something we are looking at. We will use, of course, the training facility of DepEd to do that. And then there's also, of course, the TEC, yung ating council na namamahala sa talagang quality of teaching, not just in service or meaning pag nasa DepEd na sila, but pati yung pre-service, meaning bago sila pumasok sa DepEd. So habang nag-aaral pa lang sila para maging guro, ay tinitingnan na kaagad yun ng TEC.